tracking your goals in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to read your targets, watch your progress update automatically, and drill into the records behind any number. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM, Goals, from your dashboard. Goals shows you what you're working toward this period and exactly how close you are. Up top, you'll see your targets, activities logged, samples dropped, new accounts, sales dollars, each with a progress bar showing where you stand against pace. These are usually set by your manager, so if you don't see one you expect, check with them. A goal marked behind or way behind is your signal to prioritize the activities that move it before the period runs out. As you log activities and close pipeline deals elsewhere in the CRM, I update these progress bars automatically. You don't enter anything manually here. The numbers always reflect the real work you've done. Click any goal to see the underlying records that count toward it. So if a number looks off, you can check exactly what's being counted. Use this page as a quick gut check before you plan your week.